Well, I didn't see that one coming. Jeep just released a Tuscadero Jeep Gladiator. So with the success of the Jeep Wrangler Tuscadero, selling around 30,000 units, they said, in 2021, they brought it back for 2024. And now, Jeep today just released that they are gonna bring the Tuscadero color to the Jeep Gladiator. Looks like it's gonna be available on the Sport, Rubicon, and the Mojave trim levels. Jeep didn't say how long this color is going to stick around. And if you do want this color, it's an $895 option when ordering. Do you guys plan on ordering yourself a Jeep Gladiator in the Tuscadero color? What trim level are you guys going to get? Sport, Rubicon, Mojave? Let us know in the comments. And would you do full pink or would you do black fenders, black top? Let us know. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.